So here's a page. Here's a page. Design of this page needs to make itself over to here. But actually, that might not be ideal because this is a dynamic page and you can use whatever emote exists. And we probably don't want the same design for every, we definitely don't want the same design for every single page. But I do want it for this page. I think we could just default to this for now, because either way we need the input, we need the send button, etc, etc. So with that in mind, how do I get this to happen quickly? I'm gonna see what the AI can do. Can you help me use the template code of the hug.tx file in order to replace the template code of the emote file. However, keep the same data used inside emote. Do not change it. Okay, let's see if it knows how to do this. What the hell? That's it? There's no way that's all it takes. Replace the import statement. I already used default layout, so I don't know why it said that. That's a misinput. That's what I'm gonna start calling it whenever the AI like gets something wrong. That's a misinput. You calm the fuck down. But I will try this one. This could possibly change something, I suppose. Let me just look at the differences a little bit. There's a margin top of 10. I would like to keep the margin top of 10. I probably don't want the font sans. Am I actually using that over here? I apparently am. I don't want to use it though, so let's use margin top. Actually, might not even need that either. So for now, let's just leave it out. See what happens. What it gonna do? It's loading something. Okay. That's possibly better. I don't know if it actually is. Maybe I should just code it myself. It's probably better, isn't it? Yeah, I'm just gonna undo that and do it myself. I can just get rid of the AI and use this as a reference. Okay, so we're gonna go here. I don't think that every single emote will have an emoji. I mean, I know for a fact that won't be the case, but some of them definitely will. Like hug definitely will. So we also need the input. We also need the button and the loading symbol. So we really just need the majority of it. So I'm gonna copy that. It's just gonna go at the top, I suppose. We can separate this into different components later if we so desire. Now we need the data. Actually, we need to import some stuff too. What is emoji? I don't even remember what that is. But it's a new thing that I have installed. Okay, so we need this function. I think we need the one above it too. So we need these two. Alrighty. Missing a lot of state variables. Why? Do we need the JWT? Oh, we do. Okay. Okay, so do we literally need all this? I think we literally need all of it. I'm gonna literally get all of it. Boom. Global contextual. Oh yeah, I use context. What's missing? We are missing a debounce from Lodash. We're missing 2 API calls. Boom. Doki doki. API new action. And there's one more thing, which is toast. You can't forget the toast. You always gotta get that gluten in you to screw up your insides. Let's see what that does for us. Ooh, it looks kind of interesting. It's kind of interesting without the yellow background, actually. Kind of like it better. Somewhat. But I also just like dark theme in general. Thinking about... Okay, so we need to make this dynamic, and we need to make this dynamic. So I guess for now, what I am gonna do... Do we have a module for actions? We do. We're gonna have to rename this. I also need to fix something. Preferences, where are preferences? Well, this is different. Oh, there they are. Isn't it called like compact? That did exactly what I needed. Heck yeah. Can't believe I remember that. Alrighty. So this is gonna take some edits. Let's rename this emotes. It's gonna break some things for sure. It seems like it's processing, maybe? What? I think what happened? Oh no. It's invisible now. What happened? Okay. Let's try this again. What the heck? It like won't change. It's probably a bug with cursor. Wait, it's called actions, so let's call it emotes. Please work. Oh no, I can't even open this file anymore. Well, it just reset, and I can open this now. Oh, there we go. See if it updated correctly. It did. Okay, it just took time. A little bit buggy. Okay, so what was I originally doing there? We had modules, we had emotes. Let's just make a new folder. Call it utilities. And how should I name this? Emote type util. Emote emu type util.ts. And then inside of here we can make a list. Let's say export const emote types with emojis. Probably find way to store this on backend eventually and let users control the symbols connected to their text emotes. Okay, emote types. Oh geez, it's gonna be an array. Don't really want to hard code it, but I don't think there's any other way. Unless I made it a hook. But I don't really want to make it a hook. Yeah, it's kind of tough. But it's only a front-end thing right now, so... Let's check the database. So we got hug, wave, GM. Wait, why is there... Oh, these are actions, not types. Okay, hug, GM, wave, hello, and poke. But for now, let's just do hug. Started off simple. What we can say... How will I do this, actually? Uh-oh. Oh yeah, this is... Gotta remember to do that. That'll cause some issues if I don't. I'm doing some sort of... emote. This is what I need to see. I kind of forgot how I did this a little bit. Okay, that makes sense. Although that's kind of confusing. Am I showing it 2 times? I don't remember showing it 2 times. Oh, I am. Yep. Well, that makes sense. Okay, so let's copy that. I'm gonna try something. I'm scared this is gonna break literally everything, but I feel it's worth it. We'll see if it breaks everything or not. You never know. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, if the name, actually, yeah, how do I do this? So if the name, oh, I remember now. Okay, so let's say emote types with emoji. Oh, I thought there'd be a contains. Isn't that a thing? Includes? That's what it is. Then we're in business. I just had an idea for something totally unrelated to this, so I gotta write it down before I forget. Okay, I wrote down the note. Alright, so if this includes that, then we get this. Song's a banger. Now this part needs to be edited to use that value. I think we also need to make sure we need to do a check like this too. So if emote data and the length is greater than 0. Okay, so that's dynamic now, which is cool. Let's rename this one. I'm gonna rename it. And we'll send emote. Let's change these thingies. Boopity boopity. 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's looking better. Man, this album has like everything. Like every instrument, every vibe. So this part might break. So I'm wondering if I should pass. Wonder if I need to pass it as an argument. It's probably more proper code. But I also kind of want to say screw it. I'm gonna say screw it for now, and we'll see what happens. I'll just try to comment. Hopefully doesn't cause issue. Emote. And this right here. Do some fancy schmancy stuff like that. I bet you I forgot something. But I feel like that's it. I already did this, didn't I? So we got the loading symbol here. It's not an emote. Oh, I could have swore I did that. Yeah, it's right here. Okay. So we also got that. But I still need to test it with this new code for sure. For sure. So I'm gonna save all that. Let's see what it looks like now. Oh, did I forget to remove that? I apparently forgot. Let's go back. I'm realizing something I need to do. I think I need to move all of this into here? Into one of these conditions. I think it's this one. Okay, so I'm gonna take all that. I'm gonna put it right here. Okay. So this is if it is an action type. This is if it's loading. That's if it doesn't exist. There we go. Okay, so let's test this out. Let's test it out with GM, because GM is indeed an emote. Okay, that's not right. Something messed up. Gotta figure out why that messed up. It's showing the hug symbol for some reason. I think it's because it's the same page. So it's like caching or something. Because if you look right here, we actually don't need this. So there should be no GM. So this for sure should have been false and not been shown. Oh, so that part was correct. I put it wrong. Oh my goodness. I put it on the wrong freaking thing. That's hilarious. That is funny. LOL. Okay. Let's fix that bug. There we go. That looks a lot better. Okay. So let's type this. Okay, that part works. If I get rid of it, this gets invalidated. Okay, so let's also try. Let's try huh. This should not exist. Perfect. That is perfect. Okay. Let's try wave. Oh, that's amazing. Okay, let's actually try sending a wave. Let me just check the database so I know the current state. So we got one wave, and that's it. Alrighty, so I'm gonna send. Let's run the test. Alright, send. Okay, so this did not update dynamically, which is not ideal. Let's see if I can fix that. Oh, it makes sense why it didn't. That makes a lot of sense. I think I fixed this on this page. It just is emote sending. Is emote sending. Should fix that. So just in case, let's send another one. Let's actually reload the page and then do it. Okay, so test. Ah, that one worked. Heck yeah. Good progress, good progress. I didn't even know I needed to do this work too. It's kind of funny. Just realized my chair is like too high up. And that's probably why I've been sitting in weird postures and having pains. That's better. The thing that sucks about this table though is the table's like up high, so my arms are like always tensed. Like you're supposed to have your shoulders kind of back and down. Whereas this table keeps them up like this, which kind of sucks. Can't currently afford a table. Can't afford much. 'Tis life, 'tis life. Okay, so what should I do next? Got this working. Go to test. Can see all that. Can go to here. Not a bad door. Okay, where's my to-do list? So I was thinking about starting the browser extension, which is a totally different application. Well, it would use the backend, but definitely different. So if I did that, trying to think. So the backend's set up, which is good. I start making this browser extension. First thing I'm gonna do, get the template set up. Then I need to get something to show up beside the name in the X app. Which I just realized I shouldn't be using the Twitter symbol anymore. Okay, so they're gonna go in to Twitter. It's gonna be a thing beside the name of people. Maybe it's just a little icon, you hover over it, and then there's options, and maybe one of the options is just a hug emoji. And I wonder, should that redirect you to a page, or should I just completely keep it in the X app? I am uncertain. Decisions. So much you could do with this, though. I still don't know if I want to separate the other app idea from this app idea, or just kind of combine them. I have a lot of pondering to do now that I've finished this last coding part. Suppose I could just start experimenting. I almost want to make this homepage sort of like my own website. I think I might do that actually. Okay, so let's go to X, just as a template to try and figure out how I want to do this. Okay, so I imagine there's something beside their name, like maybe over here. I could also probably put it under, so I could put it here, or I could put it here, and then they can hover over it, and then there's a hug symbol, and they can either click it. So if they click it, it's gonna pop up with a confirmation. Do you want to hug this person? I love that. And then I suppose everything should be in the button. I suppose. I think it's time to start experimenting. I'm doing too much ideating, which is fun. Oh man. Oh, I just realized there's a message. We are sending virtual hugs. Yeah. We are, so I've got the basic application that sends, I mean, you can send any emote, but I'm kind of focusing in on the hug itself, just because that's a fun one. And I just finished some features, so now I'm thinking about creating a browser extension for the X app, so that you can send virtual hugs directly in the X app. So I'm just kind of in a bit of a pondering stage, but I think I'm going to transition and just start the template code for the browser extension. And to do that, I am going to go back and find a repo where I made a browser extension. Where is it? Did I pass it? Yeah, I read that they're working on making it so that the twitter.com URL redirects to x.com now. But like the logo here is changed. They just changed it on Android and iOS. On mobile, oh, that's interesting. On mobile, this says search X, but on desktop right now it says search Twitter. So it's a work in progress, but they're getting there. Let's see. Where is this thing? There it is. Browser extension. Yeah, even talking about it, it's like, it's kind of taken some getting used to, because saying Twitter just has such a better ring than saying like X app. But then I'm thinking about it, it's like, oh, maybe if I just said X instead of X app, I think just saying X makes more sense. But it's definitely some getting used to. Okay, so I'm gonna clone this. Let's go here. Projects. Boom. My understanding is it doesn't seem like it's a, I mean, maybe there is financial gain, but it seems like the base protocol of the decision wasn't based around financials. It seems like they're thinking further ahead than just financial stuff. That's my interpretation. Okay, let's open this up. I think it opened. It did. Ooh, I'm gonna have to relearn this code because I do not at all remember how any of this works. Let's see. I wonder where the entry point for this thing is. I might have took some notes on it, which would help a lot, but I don't know if I actually did. Ooh. Yeah, maybe. Maybe not. I feel like, at least from my analysis, it's always the people who aren't focused on money and they're focused on more important stuff that, you know, usually they're more long-term thinkers, and because of that they're more successful. You know, if you're optimizing for kind of values and yeah, if you're optimizing for certain values, that's going to be more valuable over time than optimizing for kind of money. Okay, so we got pop-up, we got options. I do not remember how this code works at all. Components, toggle switch, tuner. That would be pretty interesting. Yeah. Although, I can imagine it's super useful to just keep it, because people know it as Twitter, so, like, all the old people, not considering the people that are going to be new coming in, but all the old people are gonna, it's gonna be hard for them to make that transition, so to be able to redirect would be useful. Okay, where does this thing start? If I remember correctly, you define a lot inside of one of these configuration files, but I don't remember which one. Is it Webpack? Ooh, there's a lot going on in this file. Yeah, pretty much. Like, I don't type x.com into the browser. I type twitter.com. I might do that into the future. It's just less energy on the old user side. Okay, I'm about to look and see if I have notes on this, because I am struggling to remember. Ooh, I have a note called browser extensions. Ah, no, it's not notes on how to develop them though. Let's see, this was years ago, the last time I developed this app, so I'm gonna check another note-taking app I used to use. Seems I've forgotten the password. Oh, poop. I don't remember my freaking password. Oh, I might have got it. Nope, I sure didn't. Okay, I'm just gonna keep looking at the code. I think that's an amazing idea. Alright, I'm gonna ask AI. Where the heck does this app start? I need to do the whole code base. init.ts, where is that? Okay. Okay, so it gets the current domain. What does check if activated domain do? Oh, this is code from the old extension. So I don't even think this is needed. I may need this one day. But since I'm sticking with X/Twitter for now, I don't need that. Okay, so what's this method doing? Creates a div element, sets an attribute. It's actually pretty simple. Although this looks like it's failing for some reason. I don't feel like this is a real error. The heck? Oh, that did fix it. Okay. So it's really just a pending container. And I think container is probably the majority. Well, maybe not. So it's literally just, it just creates a random div and then it puts the container on the random div that it created. Is this hidden? Or is this visible? I'm just kind of confused. So this is fixed. Fused. Okay, so this is fixed. This is absolute. I'm confused how it knows. Like, how does it know where it's putting it at on the Twitter app? That's what's confusing. And this is the first thing. So maybe it does it later. Maybe. Oh, yeah, that's it. So it just adds it to the DOM, and then this method probably does it later, where it like moves it to the right location. I think it's complaining because I haven't installed anything yet. I'm gonna install stuff. This has gotta be the last song on this album. I feel like it's been going a minute. I'm gonna rename this. So let's call it I'll just say for now container. Actually no, it's probably better to name it something. Boom. This really doesn't matter that much. I'm just gonna do it just to do it. Emote. Okie dokie. Happy with that. Although, why are these things still complaining? I'm gonna close the file and reopen it. Probably just being weird. Probably just one of those things you can fix. Maybe? Maybe not. Ah, yes, that one fixed. Maybe this is imported differently nowadays. It has no default import. Yeah, that could be an issue. It's been years, so it would make sense if it works differently now. In 2021, React DOM had a default export. Or is it import or export? Export. Probably both. Now it seems it does not. Now should it be imported? No. Is render what I'm looking for? Oh, I guess so. Let's see if the AI is correct. It's looking like it is. Cool. Hopefully that doesn't cause issues. Oh, we aren't even using this current domain thing anymore. But it could be useful later, so I'll comment that out. Okay, what is this method doing? I shall get rid of that. IDGAF about Substack. Oh, I didn't even realize this is the same file. Okay, so what is wait for element to display? It's a helper function. It looks like it's basically I have no idea what the heck this... I have never seen this in my life. Or maybe I have, but I don't remember what this is. But I assume this gets called immediately. And then it's like... if it's not null, it calls the callback. And then returns. Otherwise, it sets a timeout. And then it's recursing, it's using recursion. I don't think I even needed to know what that's doing, to be honest. Maybe I will later, but I think for now, I can just assume it's doing what it says. Okay, so this is definitely not going to be the same code. So what this is doing right here, it's looking for a certain element on X, and it's using that specific element to tie our own DOM elements to it. And I have a good feeling that this is no longer there in the code. They probably got rid of it. That's just my guess. Okay, and this is just restarting whenever there's a change to the DOM or the URL. So this is the key thing. It's doing the same thing, almost, which is kind of weird. It's kind of bad code. Well, obviously this is all bad code. Oh, if there's changes in tweets. Yeah, that makes sense. I think I remember working on this. Okay, so here is yet another method. Oh, interesting. I think this might be going too deep for now. So I think... well, I kind of wanted to see where it actually puts the DOM elements onto the screen. And I think that's here. Right here. So it's querying. You can see it's really getting in there with them DOM elements. And then it finds the username element. And then it's doing this, which is where it actually happens. This is where it actually adds it in. Whew, this is complex. Okay, where do I I think I should start by just trying to get this very first method to work. I think that's probably the best move, so that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna comment that out. So all we want to do is add the container to the DOM. One thing's for sure though, I do not remember how to even test this application. So
it's this expectation.
What the hell?
Today is going to happen today.
Oh, that album's over. I wish they would let you turn autoplay off for your watch later, but they don't. Alrighty. Let's try. Sounds cool. I also like the way this album cover looks. 1987. I was not even alive. Well, in the sense of in the human sense. Where was I? Okay, so we see several scripts in here. Nothing significant sticking out really. I guess I can just try it and see what happens though. Oh, that's right, there's a process. Oh, I'm gonna have to remember the process. You have to like build it, and then you have to go to your extensions and like add the extension in or something like that. And there were certain browsers that kind of struggled a good bit, so you had to build it specifically to them because of that weird struggle. I wish there was a way to test it without needing to build, and I feel like there is. So I'm just gonna try and see if I do yarn dev, what does that do? Okay, that does nothing. What if I do yarn dev chrome? Did something. What happened? We got an error. I have no idea what happened. Let's try auto debug. I've never tried that before. Oh. Whoa. I've never tried this feature before. Whoa. So it's potentially a Webpack issue. And I know absolutely nothing about Webpack. Auto debug's pretty cool though. That was kind of cool. so much going on. I just don't even know where I would start to find a bug with this. I assume... I don't know if I installed the old version of Webpack or specifically new version. I do know there's an error in this file. Oh, this might be the issue. I don't know how this relates to Webpack. Looks like it's just extending some sort of other TS config, whatever that means. I noticed inside TS config has an error that says is this related to the Webpack errors? Ah, okay. I don't know if it's needed, but for now, I don't think... Can you do comments? Wait, what? Okay, now I'm just confused. What are these weird error messages? I love how it's not showing an error here anymore, but it's showing an error over here. Okay, a lot of Webpack stuff going on. I wonder if it's just like I need to go and update everything kind of thing going on here. I almost wonder if it'd be better to just like start from scratch instead of using this as a template. I just thought it'd be easier to use this as a template since it's like a working example that I've already used. At least it was working like a year and a half ago. Not really working anymore. I'm thinking this might be so complex it probably would be better to start from the beginning. That's the vibe I'm getting. Oh, pooey. I'm gonna do some chatting with some AI. Okay, so How difficult is it to create a simple browser extension using something? Is this just using React or is it using Next? Because I do not know. It's not using Next. It's definitely using React. Can you write a simple browser extension using React in as little lines of code as possible? Okay, this is teaching me some stuff that I had forgotten at least. Yeah, I think I might try something like this, and maybe I'll come back to this one. Maybe. I almost want to try building this. Like, obviously, it didn't run because of whatever this error is that's going on. Actually, I'm gonna debug this a little bit more. I really didn't try to debug this as much as I could have, so I will do that now. Why is it trying to get me to do this? I don't even know what this is. I don't even know what I'm doing. While it's doing that, I'm gonna read what the AI said over here. Ooh, everything failed. Nice. Looks like I failed again. Cryptographic library. Yeah, those messages don't tell me much of anything. Alright, I think that's enough. Just file. Let's go to projects. Is there a way to use yarn to do the same thing? Like to init? I will ask the AI. For now, I'm gonna call this emote extension. All of the commands here. Can all the commands in your last message using npm be replaced with yarn commands? Ah, yep, just about the same thing. React DOM, React sub. Boom. No idea what a parcel bundler is, but I'm adding it. Manifest file. Should open this in cursor before running the command. This is like a really quiet album. I was not really expecting that. Did it really error out? Looks like something errored out. I'm gonna assume it worked for the most part. It looks like I might be using the wrong node version. I'm gonna assume it's okay though. Manifest. I like the name of that file. Whoever came up with that name is GG to them. And we also need to create index.html. Kind of want to make it TypeScript. Hopefully that's okay. We'll see how it goes. Definitely do not want semicolons. I shall copy, I shall paste. Well, looks like we need parcel for this. For building. So if that didn't install, that might be an issue. Let's see if it'll actually build. Yarn, build, fiddle. It's gonna error out and say parcel did not work because you didn't install it. Yeah, I think that's basically what it's saying here. Okay, what node version are we using? I feel like 19.8 should work. Maybe I should just retry. Where'd it go? Retry. Just doesn't want to install it. I wonder if you have to use npm. Let's use auto debug. Looks like maybe I need to add this, and then I can add the other one? Maybe? We shall see. Nope. It's really not having a good time here. Parcel bundler will not install for some reason. Ah, okay, so parcel bundler is very similar to Webpack. Maybe Webpack's the way to go. That's also how the other project was using Webpack too. Webpack as well. Whew, this album's putting me to sleep. I gotta go walk around for a second. Look at some clouds outside. I'll be right back. I hear bird noises. In real life and in the album. I'm gonna open my shades real quick. Okay. That's not what I wanted. Okay, so let's do Webpack. Webpack. CLI. Okie dokie. How do I rewrite scripts in package.json with Webpack? What is that? Okay. Can I switch these to be developer dependencies instead of regular? It says they installed. Oh, pooey. Probably have to redo that. Oh, pooey. Overwrite. Didn't mean to do that. Let's try that again. Did it work that time? Yeah. It says I'm supposed to change something in here, but it looks like nothing changed. It was a missing butt. Okay, let's see what happens this time around. I don't know why, but when I saw that, my brain thought rigid body. Ah, still didn't work. Ah, it's because it's looking for It's not looking for a TypeScript. Okay. How do I make this support TypeScript and TypeScript X? I almost feel like it's not going to be worth it. Maybe I'll just make a JavaScript just to make things go faster. I don't know, I feel like TypeScript could be super useful though. I'll try it, if it doesn't work out, I'll just go back to JavaScript. How about that? That's what I'll do. Might cause an issue having multiple of these presets though. I don't even have a webpack.config, which is, I think I accidentally forgot, and it actually worked to my advantage. So let's create that. Literally just post it in. I don't know why I said post. We can paste it in. Ah, it updates it right there. Cool beans, cool beans. It says you can use yarn start, but I feel like yarn start would do nothing because we don't even have a start. Oh, okay, I would do watch, whatever that is. Let's see what that does. Whatever it does, it errors out because it can't find Babel core. Where is it using Babel core? Okay, so it's using Babel loader. Apparently Babel loader requires Babel core. So I'm gonna go trusting it. Boom. See what it does this time. Looks like it's thinking. Okay, it did a thing. It says successful, which is a dopamine boost for sure. So I guess it worked. Is there anything else I can do with this? It generated something. Did that generate a build? Generated something for sure. Let's ask this. What does yarn watch do? Oh, okay. So that literally built it, it seems like. Automatically recompile the code. Okay. So does that mean that bundle.js is the browser extension build? Okay, let's go back up. It might have told me this already, actually. Ah, yes, okay. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna listen to this. Except it's not gonna be Chrome. Or maybe it is Chrome, I don't know. Let's see what happens. Oh, there we go. Cool. Do I already got developer mode on? I do. Load unpacked. I remember doing this in the past. So then we want to find our build folder, select it. Ooh, it failed. Could not. Okay, something's wrong with the manifest file, it said. I'm not sure. Manifest file looks fine to me. Oh, there is the issue right there, probably. TSX. It looks like it did not rebuild. Interesting. Let's just restart it, so I'll force it to rebuild. Alrighty, so now we go back to here and try again. Hey, we finished the album. That album made me tired. This one will be more energetic. Oh, I've already listened to some of this. Ah, it still failed. What? Wonder why. Maybe I need to try actual Google Chrome. I will double check. Okay, this is definitely the root directory. I doubt that's the issue. I doubt that's the issue. I mean, this looks good too. Confusion. Okay, let's just try Google Chrome. Okay, also does not work in Google Chrome. Well. Hmm. Okay, let's ask the AI that actually has access to all the code. For some reason, when loading using the load unpack button to load the extension in the browser, I get the error Oh. Oh. Main? What the heck is main? Maybe these need to have the same... Oh, wait a second. Maybe it's because this is... I thought I changed that already. Weird. I wish there was a way to confirm. I think this is the only way to confirm it just updated. It says 1046, which is not 1056. Which I think it did, but just in case, I'm gonna restart it. And let's try again. What the heck? I wonder if the name here has to be the name here too. Like, that seems really stupid if that's the case. I am a little bit confused because it's saying here that it says check that the name specified in the main property matches the name of the manifest. You know what? I'm gonna check the other project. Let's see how this one's doing it. I don't even see a manifest file here. There it is. Okay, so it's got that name. And that name does not match that name at all. But what about main? Where's the main? Looks like it doesn't even have a main. Or is that a package? That JSON thing, I can't remember. Looks like they don't even have a main. Man, I might actually have to use a human-made tutorial. Who would have thought? Yeah, I'm definitely lost. I wonder if it's because it's supposed to be source, so like source slash. I wonder if that could be it. Guess it's worth a shot. I wish there was a better way to debug this. What should they look like if index.js is instead index.tsx? Looks like they didn't update it at all. Well, that's working. This is killing me. I'm getting beat up here. Okay. Just to see if this changes anything, I'm gonna delete that. Maybe there's some sort of caching thing going on. Oh, this is killing me. Beating me up. Spitting me out. Oh, that's a new bit of information it didn't tell me. Wait, what's the deal here? Why? Maybe this is the deal. What the heck? I have no idea why I'm getting these errors. I don't really like strict mode, just from past experiences, so I'm gonna get rid of that one. Well, that fixed one thing. Don't know what the deal is with this. Well, React DOM is definitely installed, but maybe it's that. Maybe it's this part. Nope, nope, that's not a thing. Weird. I thought I saw this somewhere else though. Like in Webpack maybe? Maybe not. Why is it still erroring? I don't know what's going on. One thing I do remember is that this isn't a thing anymore. So even though it's got these stupid errors, maybe it'll work now. Nope, did not work. Sad times, sad times. Template code is killing me today. I really thought I was gonna get it pretty quickly. But that's just not what's going on today. Sometimes RNG isn't in your favor. Okie dokie. I'm gonna go have some lunch. Hope you all have a fantastic day. Peace out.